Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes knit, and today I have a finished object for you, which is an elf zone hat, small. This is Elf Zone hat designed by me, and I have already posted on this channel 2 finished object videos because this pattern is a paid fun pattern. You can check all links down below. Has 3 sizes: medium, large and small. Also, I'm going to put links down below to those finished object video where I'm telling you what kind of tools I use, which I use basically all the same tools. The bags change and the yarn change. So that kind of gives you an idea, for instance, what kind of yarn to pick, and I would say wash them all. Right, we're going to have a small one. This tiny one I knitted while I was knitting with my test knitters, and this is a beauty one. Basically, it took me 2 days to knit a hat, so I would say you would be able to do it. First, that will take you a quick moment, a bit, maybe leave it for a day, and then you can just finish it on another, and those pieces hack and go. I'm not going to put it on because it's a small size. I probably could squeeze my head, but it's going to be a gift knitting. One of my test knitters knitted at this size and it fits a 4-year-old, so I was thinking that it will be a perfect for a 4-year-old to wear. Unfortunately, I don't have a 4-year-old, but other people have. So if you haven't knit anything like it and you would want to spice things up in someone else's life, to have a toddler running around the house with this hat on, spot on. They will love you. Well, I hope they will love me. Okay, so without saying more, let's move on to tools. I love showing you the tools I use. So first things first, I use this beautiful, beautiful bag, which is Handmade Bags by Diane. She has an Etsy shop, so check the links down below. Her photos will not show you the reality, how beautiful the fabrics are. Hopefully you work on it, Diane, but you can see it over here. Check it out. The quality of the bags are amazing. Everything's perfectly well done. And look at those crisp colors. Yes, those fabrics are amazing. So what else I have over here? Must knit, because it was a test knit, so I had to knit on it. It was my priority. What else I have in this bag? This pattern is paid for pattern, and with the tools in regards to hats or anything you're knitting, it's kind of a vague area. Is that a word, vague? Is that a word? I hope it is. So I'm a loose knitter, let's say it that way. The gauge for this pattern is 19 stitches by 26 rounds. What I used these. First things first, the patterns gives you 3 alternatives to knit brim. I use the chunky, but you can use the 2 strands of worsted, and then you're knitting, well, at least I will recommend you to knit it on US size 10, which is 6mm needles. Highas, looking for it, links down below. Then I moved on to these, and in case you're doing brim and a worsted with 1 strand, you can use these, or slightly smaller, and these are US size 7, which is 4.5mm. Highas, knitting I love pouch. However, as normally I would stick to just those things, I do not change the magic loop or DPNs very often, but for this long section of the creasing, I just had to. Otherwise, I don't know. And especially I was using 2 colors with the strands, with the balls around. Yeah, I couldn't. So I used my lovely wooden needles, 4.5mm, which is US size 7, in my lovely Flower Power knitting I love pouch. Right, if you have those things, you spot to go, and then we're talking about yarn. As you can see, it is a beautiful stripe section. Over here is my bag. For the jogless thing, what I did, so basically you have 1 color on your needle, and then on the top you have a first stitch of the round with the new color. You pick the old color and put it on the needle, on your left needle, and you knit through both. I know the feeling is like, wouldn't it be shorter if I'll be doing that? But as you can see, it doesn't have any jog, so try it. So simple, so easy. It will get messy over here with all those bolts, but it's worth it. Yay. Okay, I hear you. Yarn. That's a very old stash that I have, which I got in knit crate boxes. I can't tell you the month now. I can probably rule it out because I received 3 skeins in one box. I know. 3 skeins of each 100 grams. Oh yeah, I know. And one of those colors was blue color, and I knitted and designed a free pattern. So if you're interested to knit something quite interesting, quite good for a female or male, check the screen now. This is Ice Cube hat, and this is exactly the same hat that I knitted with this beautiful yarn. You may not get it on Knit Crate anymore because from boxes, this is a monthly subscription, so every month you get different yarn, so it's more like grab it or you don't have it. Just to show you, this was one of the artisan boxes where they collaborate with indie dyers. You can check Mrs. Crosby Loves to Play. I'll leave a link down below to her shop. She's not on Etsy, as I noticed. And if you're interested in her yarn, you can check it out. So what colors did I use? So we have a garden, I don't know. Okay, garden something. Right, so check the screen now. You can see the color. Garden, I don't know what the word is 100% superwash merino wool. And here is this beautiful white color, which is called Smitten. Isn't it beautiful? Love it. I'm going to show you, because I'm interested too, how much overall these hats weight. So I spoke about the large one, so you can check the link down below to the finished object video for the large size, and this is on the screen how heavy the whole hat is. And now we have a main sample, and on the screen how heavy this hat overall is. And now we have my little small one for a 4-year-old or any toddler. Oh my, they will look so cute. I actually saw one 4-year-old from my test knitter. She posted a photo and it's, oh my. Anyway, my heart is beating. Would love to have kids. Anyway, so we have this one, and this how heavy it is. Most of the time for that chunky little thing, which is drops Andes, 65% wool, 35% alpaca, and color is 90-20. The yardage for this one is 90 meters, which is 98 yards and 100 grams. I used approximately 32, 34, 35. But you know what, let's go 40, 40, 50, just to be sure. But like I said, there is different options for the brim. I hope I said it. If not, watch others. Watch the previous videos. It was so much fun to knit this. Do I have any leftovers? Yes, I have. And obviously I have a few of Andes. This is a different color. And what do you think? That would be a really cool. I'm keeping it from perspective. I'm keeping an idea of knitting another one. I hope you have interesting projects on your needles. Please share them with me. Write down below. I'm very interested what you have and what you're knitting. Also, if you're on Instagram and you think about me for a few seconds, you can use #knittingilove. Show me what you're knitting, or even tag me knitting I love. Other than that, I would like to wish you a brilliant day. I hope you're going to enjoy your weekend. Hope you have amazing plans for cast-ons. Please check links down below. Go check my shop where you can find not only pouches, needles, but also these lovely and cute tags, different types. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye!